So first and foremost, it's a real honor to be here. Like they said, I'm actually from Atlanta, born and raised in Atlanta, but been living overseas for quite some time. And sometime in the interim, I started giving presentations at conferences, international conferences. I've done a few in the States, but never actually in Atlanta. So this is the first time. And I actually have my sister joining me, so that's also something different to have a family member. Not into tech, but yeah, we'll see what she thinks of it afterwards. All right. Yeah, so here we are. Java Users Group, Spring Users Group in Atlanta, and we're talking about Spring Framework 4.0 and up to 4.1, so what's coming up. My name is Sam Brannen, as I mentioned. I'm a Spring and Java consultant at a company called SwiftMind that I founded a few years ago in Zurich, Switzerland. And I am a graduate of Georgia Tech College of Computing. Anyone else go to Georgia Tech? One person, two people, okay. Not too many for Atlanta IT, I guess, but maybe they all move away. I've been developing Java for over 15 years, which is quite a long time. I don't know, does anyone have me beat in the audience? No, got me beat, all right, cool. I've been developing Spring as a core committer since 2007. I used to actually work for Interface 21 and Spring Source, and then moved on into my own consulting. But I continue to be a Spring trainer for Spring Source, VMware, Pivotal, whatever you want to call the company, and I speak at conferences on Spring, Java, and OSGI. Yeah, in terms of OSGI, I used to work on the DM server team, if you've ever heard of that, which is now Eclipse Virgo. And speaking of Spring user groups, I'm the co-lead of the one in Zurich, in Switzerland. So just a few words about my company, SwiftMind, experts in enterprise Java in general, focusing mainly on Spring, anything in the Spring portfolio, not just core Spring, also Spring Data, Spring Webflow, other things like that, batch integration. Also Java EE, OSGI, then best practices in software architecture and in engineering. You find us, in Zurich, but also online, as well as on Twitter. And I'll have some more links towards the end of the talk.